how to use count blank function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explain video series, I'm going to explain how you can use count blank function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get started. The best way to learn a function is to apply it, and in this tutorial I'm going to apply the count blank function, and while I'm applying I'm going to explain the parameters, when you should use it and how you should use it. Okay, in cell C2 let's write count blank. You can see here count blank. If I select here, you can see counts the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. This is one of the most easiest function in Microsoft Excel. You can see in the title, you already know what it's going to do. It's going to count how many cells you have blank in a data range. Okay, so select it, and then you can see it has only one parameter, which is range. That means you will select the data range and it will count you how many blank cell you have. That's it, that's the function. So select it, and if I close parentheses and press enter, you can see we have only one result because we have only one blank cell in this data range. Okay, so this is how, why, and when you should use count blank function in Microsoft Excel. Hope I explained the function, and in the next tutorial I'm going to explain another function. And let me know if you like this function explain video series, and in this video series I explain a lot of function of Microsoft Excel, and if you need to understand any specific function, please let me know and I will explain that to you. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, please support the channel through Patreon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.